how to upload photos and videos on Google Drive. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. First thing to do is going to Google Drive from here. It's called Drive on Android, and then as you can see in the bottom right above the files section there is a plus button. Click on it and click on upload. Now you can upload whatever you want. Let's upload a random photo or video. Let's say this image, and now as you can see one file is being uploaded now to my drive. Now let's upload a video. Click on upload and filter videos from here. As you can see now filters are appearing for me and I can choose whatever I want, and as you can see it's being uploaded right now. And that's it. It's very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.